Hope you all are doing well. So we are discussing about the gels. What are gels? What are the formulation ingredient used for the preparation of gels? Then comes the method of preparation. So all the gels are prepared by the trituration method. What is trituration method? In this, as we know, for the formulation of gels we add gelling agent, drug and the solvent. So we take the drug and we mix it in our solvent. Then we prepare a solution of gelling agent. Then we add the gelling agent in the drug solution with the trituration in the means continuously stirring जो इसको हम कहते हैं, that is known as trituration. With the trituration we mix all the ingredients. Then we mix the part 1 in 2 with continuous stirring. So this is known as ट्राइचुरेशन मेथड कि हम कॉन्टिन्यूसली स्टरिंग के साथ हम अपने ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्स कर देते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज द ट्राइचुरेशन मेथड. पहले हम ड्रग और सॉल्वेंट का एक सॉल्यूशन बनाएंगे. देन वी मेड अ जेलिंग एजेंट सॉल्यूशन. देन वी ऐड द ड्रग सॉल्यूशन इन द जेलिंग एजेंट सॉल्यूशन विद द कॉन्टिन्यूस स्टरिंग. इट फॉर्म अ जेल फॉर्म. ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर interlinked in the liquid or gel form. Then we add preservative, flavoring agent and other hygroscopic and gelatin agent substances which are needed in the formulation of gel. So this is the method of preparation for the gel. Then comes the evaluation. If we prepared any gel, for first most step is the evaluation of that product. So first comes the test for the appearance. How our gel appearance is good or not. If we apply the gel on the skin, it form a thin layer of the film on the skin, so that and it should easily wash with the use of water. हम उसको easily wash कर सके और जो appearance है उसकी that should be good. If any coloring agent is added, that color shows the in the gel structure. Like hair gels blue color, green color की आती हैं तो हम उसके appearance से check कर सकते हैं वो uniformly distribute हो color. Then comes the test for the stability. How we check the stability in the gels? We store the gels at the different room temperatures. First comes the higher temperature. One is the room temperature and third is the less decreased temperature with the relative humidity criteria. We store the gels at the different temperature and for the different time periods, specific time periods होते हैं उनके 6 months, 2 months. Then we check the stability, means these are stable at a different room temperature or not. Then comes the pH determination. In pH determination we check the pH of the gels. The standard pH for the gel is between 5 to 5.5. So our gel which is formulated is in the pH is between the 5 to 5.5 and we determine the pH by using the digital pH meter. हम digital pH meter को क्या करेंगे, जेल में डिप करेंगे उसकी रॉड को. Then we calculate the pH of the gels, so it do not cause any irritation to the skin. Then comes the spreadability of gel. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, we take one slide, we make a circle of 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter का हम एक circle बना लेते हैं. Then we take a slide, we put 0.5 gram of the gel on the slide. Then we put another slide on it. हमने क्या किया, ये slide ले ली. We put the slide on the circle. Then we put 0.5 gram of the gel. Then उसके ऊपर एक और slide लगा देंगे. Then we keep half kg of the weight on the upper slide. Upper slide पे हम क्या करते हैं, weight रख देते हैं for 5 minutes. Then we remove the weight and check how much of the gel is spread in the circle. That shows the spreadability of the gel. And then next we can calculate the drug content of the gel by any any method. Then by dissolution we can calculate the release of the drug. So these are the different evaluation methods which are used to check the formulation which are prepared on large scale or the small scale. So this is all about the gel, how we formulate it, what are the method of preparation, and lastly how we evaluate the gels which are prepared on the lab scale or industrial scale. So this is all about the gel. Thank you.